I'm Joseph Anthony Palmer, and today I'm gonna be doing a bike check. This is like, I guess, my second video, but today I am running a Fit stock frame. Unfortunately, I had a Subroza that cracked on me a couple nights ago, so I had to go back to my Fit frame, and I am running, I think these are, can't remember what they were. I think they're Cult bars, Cult AK bars. 9.5 rise with a stolen top load stem. And then I am running a Shadow headset with S&M pitchforks. And then I have these Haro cranks. Everybody talks bad about the Haro cranks, but I mean, I like them. They're awesome. And I don't even know what kind of pedals these were. They're like off-brand pedals, but they work. And I am using the Shadow Raptor back hub laced to the Shadow wheel. And honestly, this is a great freaking wheel. I really like this wheel. It's nice and light. It's pretty durable. And the front wheel is a Fit. Running a Fit front wheel. Not the best wheel ever, I can say that. And then my bottom bracket is also Shadow. And then I am also running a Primo peg in the front because it's fatter. I like the fatness of the Primo pegs. And I'm running a Shadow peg in the back because it's skinnier. And for some reason it just, with my Feebles, anything, it just slides like butter. I don't even need plastic pegs. And then I am also running a 25 tooth Shadow sprocket. I had a 28 tooth. I usually run 28s, but I bent it like a taco. So now I'm back to a 25. And running BSD tires. Just they're BSD Donna Squeaks. Great tires. And my seat is a stolen. My brother gave it to me as a present. It's just a little wear and tear, but that's what makes character. So that's my bike check.